In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a TikTok sound your ringtone. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying. First, we need to download the TikTok downloader. We download it because it has both high score and a lot of comments. With this program, you can download TikTok videos that cannot be downloaded. After doing this, we open TikTok to download TikTok sound. We open the video of the sound we wanna download. Then we click share and then click copy link. We copy the link. Now we open TikTok downloader. After checking link process, it will ask how we wanna download the video. Here we need to click on music. It says already downloaded because I downloaded it before, but it will download it for you. Now we will set the TikTok sound we downloaded as a ringtone. To do this, we open settings. After doing this, click on sound and vibration. The settings section may be different for you, but you can find it in almost the same way. Then click on ringtone. After doing this, click on choose local ringtone and click on file manager. The file we need to select is the one starting with music. If the name is different, you can see from the download date which file to choose. Select our file and click OK. Here, we need to click apply next to the file we have selected in the My Ringtone section. After clicking apply, we click OK. As you can see, we have changed our ringtone. To return to the default ringtone, you can click apply next to the default ringtone. This way, we can set any TikTok sound as ringtone. I hope this video was clear. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.